Wilderness Van's Grid Truck Campers for F550 Ram 5050. The Wilderness Van's Grid Truck Campers are like the Swiss Army knives of the wilderness, packed with all the tools you'd ever need to conquer the wild. Picture this, you're cruising through the rugged terrain on the back of a Ford F550 or Ram 5050, your off-road suspension soaking up bumps like a pro. With a strong aluminum body, you're basically driving a tank through the wilderness. Inside, you've got enough power to run your own mini electric grid, thanks to over 300 amp hours of lithium battery storage and a whopping 12 watts of solar power. It's like you're taking a piece of the sun with you. Your fresh water supply is a generous 100 gallons, and you've got 50 gallons for all your gray water and 25 gallons for the not-so-pleasant black water. Need to freshen up after a day of adventures? No problem. The wet bath is there with a shower and a toilet. And when it's time to whip up a feast, the kitchen comes to the rescue with a stove, sink, and refrigerator. After all, who says you can't be a master chef in the middle of nowhere? At the end of the day, the queen-size bed is waiting to cradle you in comfort, ensuring you're well-rested and ready for the next wilderness adventure. With all these features, the Wilderness Van's Grid is your ticket to off-the-grid bliss and outdoor extravagance rolled into one. This expedition vehicle isn't just a camper, it's a rolling fortress designed to conquer the wildest frontiers with style and convenience. Torsus Praetorian Heavy-Duty Off-Road Bus. The Torsus Praetorian is the ultimate adventure mobile, designed to tackle Mother Nature's most Crawler OTi G385 expedition vehicle. The Crawler OTi G385 is not just an expedition vehicle, it's the ultimate explorer's dream come to life on wheels. Picture this, it's a rugged beast with a UNIMOG chassis that laughs in the face of rough terrains. It's got an interior that's cozier than your grandma's living room, complete with a double bed for stargazing dreams, a kitchen that could whip up a gourmet meal in the wilderness, and a bathroom that's essentially a 5-star hotel room on wheels. Need some off-grid magic? Well, it's got a solar panel that's basically a mini-sun, a water heater that makes a cold shower seem like ancient history, and a refrigerator that could chill your ice cream in the Sahara. The Crawler OTi G385 is not just a vehicle, it's your mobile penthouse, your wild adventurer's hideout, and your passport to a world of endless possibilities. But wait, there's more. This expedition vehicle doesn't just give you comfort, it's a shapeshifter too. Need an impromptu dining area? Boom, it's got you covered. Want to invite more friends along? The adjustable dining table and seating group turn into a double bed for your entourage. And let's not forget the pop-up roof that unveils a spacious 200 by 160 cm bed, ready for your next night under the stars. The Crawler OTi G385 isn't just a vehicle, it's a nomad's best friend, a road warrior's sidekick, and an invitation to live life on the edge, wherever that edge may be on the map. So, why settle for 4 walls when you can have 4 wheels that take you to the edge of the world and beyond? Project Rhino Action. The Project Rhino Action is the ultimate adventurer's dream come true. Picture this, a lightweight expedition truck that's as comfortable as your own home, built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis that's ready to tackle even the roughest terrains. Whether you're a daring duo or a small family with a passion for exploration, this vehicle is your golden ticket to remote and challenging destinations. Inside, it's not just a truck, it's your home on wheels, with a spacious living area that boasts a queen-size bed for a good night's sleep under the stars, a fully equipped kitchen to whip up gourmet campfire meals, and even a bathroom with a shower for a touch of luxury in the wilderness. Plus, there's storage galore for all your adventure gear. Powered by a robust 4-cylinder diesel engine, this beast churns out 231 horsepower and a whopping 720 pounds-ft of torque, giving you the muscle to go anywhere your heart desires. With a 4x4 drivetrain and a differential lock, you'll conquer rugged terrains like a true explorer. So, hop in and take the Project Rhino Action off the beaten path for an unforgettable journey of a lifetime. The Project Rhino Action is more than a vehicle, it's a ticket to epic adventures. Imagine a lightweight, off-road beast perched on a Mercedes-Benz Azimoo 1023 S-Cab chassis, ready to traverse the most challenging landscapes. This expedition truck is a dream come true for thrill seekers, designed for couples or small families who crave the wild outdoors. Inside, it's a home away from home with a roomy living space, a queen-size bed for dreamy nights, a kitchen that's equipped for gourmet cooking, and even a bathroom with a shower for a touch of luxury in the wilderness. Don't worry about bringing all your gear, there's ample storage space for your toys and essentials. The heart of the Project Rhino Action is a 4-cylinder diesel engine that roars with 231 horsepower. And a staggering 720 pounds-ft of torque, making off-road escapades a breeze. With a 4x4 drivetrain and a differential lock, you'll conquer the toughest trails with ease. So, if you're ready to explore the world off the beaten path, the Project Rhino Action is your trusty companion, blending comfort, capability, and boundless adventure in one extraordinary package. EarthRoamer LTi. Picture this, the EarthRoamer LTi is the James Bond of overlanding vehicles. It's not just any camper, it's a carbon fiber cocoon on wheels, sleeker and tougher than your average off-road adventurer. Built on a Ford F550 chassis, this beast is powered by a 6.7 liters turbo diesel V8 engine, practically roaring with excitement to tackle the wild unknown. It's like a Swiss Army knife of exploration, armed with a 4-wheel drive system, high-clearance suspension, and those I dare you to stop me all-terrain tires. But wait, there's more. Inside, it's a luxury hotel on wheels, a full kitchen to whip up gourmet meals, a bathroom to freshen up, and cozy sleeping quarters. The futuristic touchscreen interface and a lithium-ion battery bank power up the entire experience, while solar panels ensure you're running on sunshine. With increased water capacity and a filtration system, it's ready for the wildest quests. Buckle up, because the EarthRoamer LTi isn't just a vehicle, it's a first-class ticket to adventure. In simpler terms, the EarthRoamer LTi isn't your average camper van, it's a space-age off-road palace. Think of it like a giant, rugged Swiss Army knife, but instead of tools, it's packed with a luxurious kitchen, a snazzy touchscreen, and a high-tech power system. This thing doesn't just drive, it conquers the wilderness. It's built tough with carbon fiber and powered by a beastly V8 engine, making it ready for any terrain. But what really sets it apart is the comfort, a cozy bed, a bathroom, and a kitchen that could make a chef blush. Plus, it's eco-friendly with solar panels and a water filtration system, so it's like a nature-loving, luxury hotel on wheels. If you're seeking adventure with a side of comfort, this is your golden ticket 7. Armadillo X Runner Azimoo Expedition 4x4 Expedition. Designed for adventurers who crave the thrill of off-road exploration without sacrificing the comforts of home. Sitting atop a rugged Mitsubishi 4x4 chassis, this expedition camper is a rolling paradise ready to take on Mother Nature's wildest challenges. Imagine cruising through the untamed wilderness during the day, conquering rough terrains with ease, and then, at night, effortlessly transforming your expedition vehicle into a cozy home on wheels. With sleeping space for up to 4 people, a fully equipped kitchen for whipping up gourmet meals, a bathroom complete with a hot shower and toilet, and even a spacious garage for stowing away your adventure gear, it's the ultimate exploration companion. Whether you're a nomadic nature enthusiast, an overland aficionado, or just someone who wants to see the world in style, the Azimoo Expedition 4x4 Expedition is your ticket to adventure, comfort, and freedom. But that's not all. Azimoo Expedition understands that the call of the wild doesn't always come with a power outlet nearby. That's why they offer optional solar panels and a battery system, giving you the freedom to go off-grid and relish in untamed beauty without worrying about running out of juice. So, with the Azimoo Expedition 4x4 Expedition, you're not just exploring, you're embarking on a rolling adventure palace that's as tough as it is luxurious, letting you conquer the world's most remote and breathtaking destinations without leaving the comforts of home behind. Thanks for tuning into this awesome video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop for our upcoming content. But wait, there's more fun to be had. Check out our other videos for an endless stream of entertainment. So, keep that popcorn ready and stay tuned for our next adventure. See you in the next video, where the excitement continues.